friends, welcome back to Chronically Overdressed. I don't know about you, but I am super excited that spring is starting to show. We've got some buds on the trees and a few flowers coming up, and I'm super excited. As you know, I moved from Hawaii recently, and I'm just so excited to see seasons again. I did get to experience a little bit of fall, but definitely a lot of winter, which I actually really enjoyed. And now spring's coming, so I'm really excited to experience the seasons again. I really missed them. So today we have my February Redbird Vintage Box, and let's just get right in and see what we've got. Okay, let's start off. Oh, yay! We have a lovely leaf brooch. I really like leaf brooches. I've got a couple of them, and I find that they're really great for, you know, for springtime and also for fall. This is really cute. It's got looks like it has little, it's not pearls, but pearl-like little doodads on there. That's a really cute brooch. I like that. Okay. Do we have another scarf? My goodness. Oh, we have two scarves. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's check these guys out. Oh, the colors on this one is very pretty. Oh, I like that. That's lovely. It's a little 70s, like 60s or 70s, but you know what? I'm okay with that because I really like this color scheme. And I'm a sucker for anything that has flowers on it. So that's really nice. I like the, I love this green color. It's kind of a, not quite sage green, but that's lovely. I like that. And then this one, ooh, wow. This is stunning. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Those big blossoms are just beautiful. This is going to make for a fantastic headscarf. I'm very excited to wear this. That's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I really like that. That, again, that color, the color scheme with the dark background and then this beautiful kind of orangey, peachy rose. Oh, so beautiful. I love that. I really like that color scheme a lot. Okay. And in a little bag, which I always have a hard time getting open. I don't know what is wrong with me. Okay, we have a brooch. We have a silver brooch with little red jewels. That's beautiful. Again, florals and leaves. Love it. And then, is this another brooch? Yep, another brooch. More florals. That's beautiful. It looks like it's not quite enamel. Or maybe it is enamel. It's a cluster of 6 different, or 6, well, they're all the same really, 6 flowers all into one. And I actually have a necklace that's very similar to this. It's a different color scheme. I think the one that I have is pink, but that's beautiful. I like that. And then looks like we have a necklace, which is silly enough, it kind of goes with both of these brooches. Oh, this is beautiful. So we have the white and red beads and then little black beads in between there. That's lovely. And yes, it fits. Yay. So yeah, this would go really well with either of these brooches, to be honest. That's really nice. I like that. That's beautiful. And that's a good you know, it's black, white, and red. That kind of, you know, it's gonna go with a lot of different things. So kind of acts as a neutral slightly, but oh my goodness, what is this? Okay. Just wanna make sure nothing else is in there. So I'm gonna set this aside. Oh boy. Wow, this is really packed very well. I wish you guys had packed my stuff from the move, because unfortunately, as I'm unpacking, there's a lot of stuff that did not get packed well and unfortunately broke. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. It's another little trinket jar. Oh my goodness. So delicate. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love this. Okay, so what does it say? Left in China and hand painted, I believe. And what is this? Yeah, left in trademark exclusive Japan. So beautiful and delicate, and oh, and this little branch on the top for the handle is so cute. Oh wow, I love that. It could be my little like a hidden candy dish. Put my little jelly bellies in there. Jelly bellies are my favorite. Oh, that is beautiful. I love that. That's so great. I have to say, and I haven't sent the ladies a message or anything, but I'm kind of glad that I didn't get any earrings, any clip-on earrings, because as I was putting away all of my jewelry, I realized just how many clip-on earrings I have already, and I don't wear them as often as I should. I think I had mentioned this before, that, you know, after a while they really start to hurt my ears. So I am going to send them an email and just kind of let them know to kind of hold off on the clip-on earrings for now. But yes, brooches and scarves and necklaces and these lovely little trinkets, I absolutely love. So yeah, they did fantastic. We have 3 brooches this time. We've got 3 brooches and the beautiful necklace, 2 gorgeous scarves. One definitely is big enough for a headscarf, and the other one is great for just like a neckerchief. And then this absolutely stunning little trinket box. I just love that. It's so beautiful, and it actually goes so well with my new tablecloth. I just got this on eBay not too long ago, and the colors I think match really, really well. So I love that. So it definitely fits in my house. Yay. So this was a wonderful, again, I mean, I haven't gotten a box that I didn't like. So yeah, so keep them coming. You guys are doing really good. So tell me your favorite of what I got today. I really like to hear from you guys on, you know, on what you liked. And I know I hear a lot from you about pieces that I've gotten that you also have, and I love hearing that. I love to know that there's another kind of sister piece out there that people are wearing and loving. So definitely keep those comments coming. I really enjoy that. Well, this was another great box. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, stay tuned. I've got some more content coming, and I'll be going to the DC Big Flea Market show, whatever, this weekend, and I'm gonna film the whole trip, so you guys will come along with me, and that'll be hopefully my next video. And yeah, Thanks so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.